So we're looking at Microsoft Windows 95. No, we're not. We're looking at Plasma. It's based on Arch. It's not ArcoLinux. It's a riser. So there are like 44 ways to install ArcoLinux based operating system. This is one of them. And here you see the NeoFetch already presented. It's Arch Linux. Now, this one has been created with devrel is our way to say, okay, here it is, right? ISO release, rolling, codename, Ariser, website, ariser.eu. We've now installed, yes, sure, you can close. F12 is not present unless I tell him to be present. Yakoake, there you are. And then, so the get nemesis scripts is something that we have. Get nemesis on ArcoLinux, get nemesis on ATT, so that means it comes with the ArcoLinux Suite tool. But there's also get nemesis on ALCI, get nemesis on Kali, get nemesis, and so on. Basically, we want you to learn to script, because every clean install, you need to make it better, right? You need to make it your own, and that's the arcolinux-nemesis. So, well, GitHub and github.com, Eric Dubois, ArcoNemesis, and I ran this thing. So let's have a look. What did it do? It installed a lot of things, removed also a few things, and then it's my machine. It's up to me to rise it. So Breeze Dark is maybe already something that I would like to see. Give me a dark system rather than a light. Oh my god, yes. Maybe more to your liking. But doesn't end there. I'm gonna do reset here because I did drag something there. So voila, okay, cool. So up here, appearance, I install a lot more. This is not the default Plasma on Arch or on anything based with Plasma, right? So it has ArcoLinux Arc Dark. Apply. Already a little bit more to my liking, but even so, there are a few things that I say, what? Okay, but remember with icons and themes, sometimes you need to get out. Well, so meaning log out, reboot, stuff like that. This 95 thingy, that's basically this guy, not that guy, but this guy. Look at that. So it's the wrong thing I was clicking. It's this one I want. The next variety, and the next variety, and the next variety. So it's all coming from Wallhaven, and you stop with the one you like. So you see all these icons. These are the Candy, ArcoLinux Candy Beauty icons. All applications. Let's have a look. We can make this bigger. And have a look. Scroll through them. Now I'm looking at the icons, not at the names, but maybe you wanna, this is something that's not okay. So we found one thing to do. So now a bit slower. What did I install? Vivaldi, Visual Studio Code is there. The Mint stick from Linux Mint desktop is there. Burned over 10,000 ISOs with it. It just works. Except when there's a Python update, but that's normal. Spotify is here. Simple screen recorder. Rofi, which probably is not interesting in Plasma, but then again, you start using Alsing with it, or you start using BSPWM with it, or i3, and then Rofi comes in handy again. Cupid Torrent is here. Melt obviously has to be there. So the Sublime Text. And these are the things that I have now on my virtual machine, Plasma, after running arcolinux-nemesis. An extra gparted, there is the key, the K partition manager as well. A license here, music player. Not I did not choose that one, but Plasma, right? Discord, that's a choice. Telegram, that's a choice. And the ArcoLinux Tweet tool, that's a choice. Looks a bit white. But for the rest, that's it. So all kinds of things that are trying to do some stuff down here, things that you might want to configure and remove. You see, and sound, now you know I don't use sound in my virtual machines, so it has a mute thing, and that's it. So here you are, installing Plasma. Easy. Writing it, well, should be easy as well. So start with the ArcoLinux Nemesis and then do your thing with it. All right, cheers.